Lesson 3 of presentation techniques, we're looking at filling spaces and adding titles. So far we've looked at how to align shapes, align images, how to space them evenly, and how to crop and zoom. So as per usual, the steps are all here. You can go through them, watch the video, pause it, or whatever you like. We're aiming at creating something like this today. So let's get started. We have a blank slide, find some Google images, guinea pigs, piffs, and don't forget to make sure that they are large and high quality. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Above 1000, check, it's good. Right click, copy, Control V to paste. So I'm going to do a few crops and zooms, just like we did last week. So we've got the space, and sure, we can do another crop or zoom, but today I'd like us to look at creating boxes to fill that space. So up here in the shapes tool, we can go to shapes. I'm going to pick just a square for the day. Now just draw it any size. It absolutely doesn't matter because we can always resize. So I'm going to get rid of the outline. If you click on that little pencil tool with the line under it and go to transparent, you'll see the outline will disappear. And just so it kind of matches some of the colors from my design on my page, I would like to try and pick an orange or something, just so it looks kind of cohesive. Let's see, here we go. That's too bright. Yep, okay, we've got this brown. Move it up to the corner. Use those helpful red snap lines. And this is the time where you can stretch and squash. There we go. Now that's quite nice. I've decided that I'd actually like these to be swapped around, so I'm going to take this image, put it there. This one should just hopefully fit in there. Look at that. Okay, so we've got a shape. We're still using our alignment and spacing. We've done some cropping and zooming. Very good. To add a title, you need to also think about where the title is going to be in that coloured block. What we tend to do is draw a text box. Oh, guinea pig fans. There we go. Write a title, and we might just stick it up there because we're used to having things in the top left. Now with our alignment and spacing, I want you to think about the space around your text. So the text above, the space above my text here is very small. It's very small on the left, and then we've got all of the space here. So how about we move this to the middle of the box, middle-ish. How about we change the font? Arial's default, but there's so many other fonts we can use. Try and get one that's easy to read. I quite like IBM Plex Sans, bold. Make the text a bit bigger. And I'm going to change it to white so it stands out a bit more. Now the last thing we can do is, because my text is in the middle of this box, you can align your text to be what's called center. So up here, this is your text align. Who's seen that before? If you click on that and you choose that one there, it makes your text sit in the middle. And now we can just put it there. Now that is a very tidy page. If you were doing a presentation in any subject and this was your first title slide or your title page, there is no question about what your slides are about. Even if you had guinea pig health, you can stretch out the box. There's still no question about what your slide is about, okay? Now in this case, it's in the middle. We've got even top and bottom spacing, even side spacing. That's really nice, okay? Have a go with your own design. Have a go doing this with your own design and choosing your own colours and your own font. Make sure you change it from Arial, okay? There's so many other things you can choose.